Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a wheel assembly on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 1/2-inch socket, a small gear puller, a large flathead screwdriver, a mallet, and wood supports. Lift the rear of the chipper shredder and use the wood supports to prop it up on both sides. Use the small gear puller to partially pry the appropriate push cap forward. You can now use the 1/2-inch socket, the small gear puller, and a small piece of wood to fully detach the push cap. The push cap's inner plate may have to be removed separately. With the push cap fully detached, you can slide off the old wheel assembly. To prepare the new wheel assembly for installation, transfer the flange bushing and bearing from the old wheel to the new one, or install a new bushing and bearing. You can use the large flathead screwdriver and mallet to knock out the two parts. The bearing should be inserted into the outside of the wheel, and the bushing should be inserted into the inside. Use the mallet to knock them into place. Confirm the spacer is on the axle, then slide on the wheel assembly. Align the push cap on the end of the axle. While holding the cap and axle on the opposite side, use the mallet to fully secure the cap. Remove the wood supports, and the chipper shredder should be ready for use.